Hi there. Now that we have an understanding of how to actually divide fractions, we now need to talk about how do we actually model this. And most of the time when you see division modeling with fractions, you're going to see it on a number line. So I'm looking at page 13 in your binder. And let's look at the first one together. So what is the number I'm actually dividing up? Well, it actually depends on which number's first. In this example, I'm cutting up the 4 into pieces that are 8/9 large. So I'm going to go the whole way out of my number line to 4, and I'm going to draw a large vertical line there, because that is where I know I'm going to stop. Now, I'm cutting into 8/9 pieces. So I need to make sure that my holes are cut up into 9, which they already are. They're cut up for you. And I'm going to jump 8 out of the 9 pieces each time. So it's going to take some counting, and you're going to need to be very careful. Make sure you're touching the lines appropriately. So I'm going to jump 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to draw a tall line there. Okay, and just like we did with multiplying, I'm going to connect it like that with a slope, and that's 1. And then I'm going to do it again. 8/9, so I'm going to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to draw a large vertical line and connect it with a slope so I can see how many there are. There's 2. And then I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, I'm going to connect it with a slope, and now I'm up to 3, so I can get 3 pieces of 8/9 out of 4 so far. I keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I have 4 whole pieces that I can cut that are 8/9 large so far out of my 4. Now, if I look at this, I'm not going to be able to get 8 here. There's just not enough pieces. But I can count how many there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 out of 8 pieces that I need. So my final answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 holes and 4/8 of the pieces that I need. So that's going to be my final answer for that one. Okay. Now, if I look at number 2, my hole that I'm cutting up is 2, so I'm going to draw a large vertical line at 2 so I know that's where I'm stopping. And I'm chunking it out into pieces that are 5 to 6 large. So it's already cut for you into 6 pieces. I need to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's the first one. That's your first hole. Then I'm going to count 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's my second hole. Now I'm not going to be able to get 5 here, so I'm going to count how many I can get. 1, 2 out of 5 pieces I needed. So my final answer is going to be 2, because the whole number is 2. I got 2 holes and 2/5 left over. So there's my answer for that one. So go ahead and try 3 through 6, and you can check them with the key on the website.